Hey, my name is Maria Lloyd, and I'm the owner of a marketing firm named Opens Clicks Cash, and I'm also the author of a book titled Words Are Wealth. Now, I'm on a personal mission to help as many small business owners as possible reach their first six figures in revenue. If that mission resonates with you, please be sure to like this video, subscribe to this channel, and hit that notification bell so that way you'll be notified whenever I post new content. Now, again, you may notice my setting is a bit different. I have been traveling extensively for several months now. I just spoke at an amazing conference yesterday about lead generation strategies, and I just returned to my residence. So I'm actually recording this in the car because I know the moment that my foot hits that floor, I'm probably going to go to sleep. So, with that being said, what I want to share with you really quickly is how you can actually get paid to acquire qualified leads. Okay. And so, the way that you can get paid to acquire qualified leads is to get booked for a speaking engagement. So, this is definitely one of the most simple, obviously, when I say simple, meaning once the engagement is booked, this is one of the simplest ways for you to attain leads, a bulk of leads, qualified leads rather quickly. Now, when I say qualified leads, that's very important because if you are speaking at a conference, if it for, about a subject matter that you don't normally discuss or is not doesn't complement what you do on a day-to-day basis, then obviously I don't think those leads will be qualified. But if you are speaking, and really I don't know if you should be speaking to that audience, but nevertheless, if you're speaking in front of an audience of people about a topic that you are in fact very skilled in, high skilled in, then 9 times out of 10 the people that are sitting in that audience are your target prospects. And so you want to definitely leverage that opportunity to capture their contact information. And the way that you can do that is through a QR code. I've had instances in which I partner with event planners and I have access to the database of registrants. It really just depends, but that's a really, really great way for you to get paid to get qualified leads. So, with that being said, again, I'm keeping this video short because I am exhausted. But please share your comments and your thoughts. Please share your thoughts in the comments. And again, make sure that you like this video, you subscribe to this channel, and that you hit that notification bell so that you'll be notified of future videos. All right, talk to you. Oh, one more thing. Always remember, content is currency and words are wealth. I'll check back in again soon. Peace.